So you can see that I have these pages right here, just like this. And then over here on the top, you can see that I'm in the layout mode right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and then rearrange out the pages that I have right here. If you want to do that, you can simply click and drag up the thumbnail right here, place it wherever you want, and this is what you have. So let's say I have facing pages. So to turn on facing pages, I'm going to go to document setup right here and enable facing pages and press OK. So you can see these facing pages right here. So now once you do that, this is what you have. As you can see, if I were to click and drag it, you can see that I can keep it on the center as well, and it will simply go ahead and replace out the content accordingly right here from the center itself, just like this. So apart from that, if I want to duplicate out any page, let's say for example this one, you can select it and then you can see that duplicate selected pages is an option. You can go ahead and select these pages out by holding Control, duplicate it out, and this is what you have. As you can see right here, those pages are simply duplicated. Now you can go ahead and click and drag the page as you want right here, just like this as well. So if you want to go ahead and add in, let's say, an extra page, you can go ahead and click on Add Pages and then choose the number of pages as well, and then choose, let's say, for example, a particular page right here and add it before or after that. So let's say I'm going to add it after page 6. You can extend the spread or add a new spread right here, but I just want to flow the pages. So if I were to click on it, you can see that new pages are added in right here, just like this as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add, duplicate, delete, and rearrange out the layout pages inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.